In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the Xero dashboard to gain insights into your short-term cash flow, which will be crucial for managing your business finances with ease and clarity. Let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Xero account. Once inside, direct your attention to the top menu on your screen. This is where you'll find various options for navigating the dashboard. Today, our focus will be on the reporting section, which serves as a hub for all the financial insights you'll need. After clicking on Reporting, you'll be presented with multiple reporting options. Look for and select Short-Term Cash Flow. This choice is particularly valuable when you're looking to get a quick yet comprehensive overview of your immediate cash situation. Understanding your short-term cash flow is essential for making informed financial decisions and planning effectively for the weeks or months ahead. Once you've selected short-term cash flow, the next step will be to choose the bank accounts you want to include in your report. Here, you'll have the flexibility to tailor the report to your specific needs by selecting one or several accounts. This feature allows you to focus on the areas of your business that are most pertinent to your current financial strategies. Remember, selecting the right accounts ensures that the information you're about to access is relevant and precise. Next comes the time frame selection. This is where you determine the period for which you want to analyze your cash flow. Whether you're interested in reviewing the past month's data or projecting into the next month, choose the time frame that best fits your needs. This functionality can help you spot trends and anticipate changes in your cash position, enabling you to strategize proactively. After these selections have been made, it's time to view the graph and summary provided by Xero. The visual representation of short-term cash flow in the form of a graph can be incredibly insightful, offering a clear picture of how your cash is expected to flow during the chosen time frame. Meanwhile, the accompanying summary presents key figures and insights that bring context to the graph, making it easier to interpret the data effectively. As you review the graph and summary, take a moment to analyze the patterns and consider any actions you may need to take based on this information. Consider whether adjustments are necessary for your spending, or if there are opportunities to optimize your cash flow further. This analysis is a critical step in ensuring the ongoing financial health of your business. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can make the most out of Xero's powerful dashboard to keep a close eye on your financial picture, optimize cash flow, and ultimately support better business outcomes. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tutorials on navigating your financial tools.